No, carbon is important, but as you say, we have identified 9 planetary boundaries, which are all the environmental processes that regulates the stability and livability on Earth. It's not only carbon, which is represented by the climate system. It's also biodiversity and the richness of life, both in the ocean and on land. It is the land configuration, so the forests, the wetlands, the peatlands, the grasslands, what kind of landscape configuration we have. It's the freshwater cycle, the whole bloodstream of the whole planet, which powers all life on Earth. It's the ocean stability, both physically, chemically, and biologically. It's chemical pollutions, it's air pollution, it's the stratospheric ozone layer, and it's finally the cycles of nutrients on nitrogen and phosphorus. What is interesting, though, is that all of these impact ultimately on the climate system. So you need to have healthy ecosystems with high levels of biodiversity to be able to have resilience, to recycle moisture, to have pollination, to have good photosynthesis, and to be able to sequester carbon. So even though carbon is a too narrow focus, much of the richness in ecosystems does translate in the end to carbon. Therefore, we recommend here that science is very clear that we need to transition away from fossil fuels because that is carbon, but we also need to build the resilience in the living biosphere to be able to keep carbon in the soil and in the biomass, but also to have resilient ecosystems that can withstand the pressures we have. So take the Amazon, for example. If you have a perfectly healthy Amazon rainforest with high biodiversity, it might cope with 2-3 degrees Celsius of warming. But if you lose biodiversity, the system will be so fragile that already at 1.5 degrees Celsius, which is where we're heading now, it might cross a tipping point. So these things interact.